Tired of the living room remote battling over who watches what? Learn how to unlock YouTube TV's power to stream different shows simultaneously to multiple screens, satisfying everyone's viewing desires at once. First, let's ensure you're maximizing your YouTube TV membership. YouTube TV inherently supports family sharing. This means you can create individual profiles for each family member within your YouTube TV account. To check or set this up, head to your YouTube TV account settings on a web browser. Within your account settings, look for an option like Library or Profiles. From here, you can invite other household members to join your plan, allowing each person to have their own personalized viewing experience, including watch history and recommendations. Now for the magic trick: simultaneous streaming. Your YouTube TV subscription allows for up to 3 simultaneous streams across different devices. Simply open the YouTube TV app on each desired device and log in with your Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Navigate to the content you want to watch and start streaming. Embrace the freedom to personalize your viewing with YouTube TV's family sharing and multi-streaming capabilities. Every member of your household can watch what they love when they want on the device they prefer, making TV time a more harmonious experience for everyone.